Hi guys, my name's Clinton. I'm the Environmental Compliance Officer over here at Royal Gold. Today we're at our production site in sunny Blue Lake, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what's going on here at our Native Plant Nursery. So we've got the nursery for a couple reasons. We've got a wetland restoration project that's going on part of the property, and then we're also using some of these plants in some stormwater features around our site. These plants are really good for putting into these stormwater features because they have really dense root systems that allow the soil to stay in place even when we got fast running water around, which in Humboldt County, we've got a lot of water. Another one of their big benefits about these native plants is that they slow the water down, they allow any sediment that's in it to settle out and help to pull any nutrients that might be in the water out as well. All these plants that we've got here on site in our Native Plant Nursery, we've gathered from on site, right down the road, or if there's a few that we've purchased from another local Native Plant Nursery. It's been a really cool process of going through and learning about collecting a lot of these plants, propagating them. We've collected seed, we've taken cuttings, we've gone through and split the roots from different plants, and it's really cool getting to see what works for a bunch of these different plants.